Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to get a refund from NordVPN step by step. If you purchased a subscription but decided not to continue using the service, you can request your money back within the refund period. Let's get started. NordVPN offers a 30-day money-back guarantee on new subscriptions. This means you can request a full refund within 30 days of your initial purchase if you're not satisfied with the service. Here's how to request the refund. Step 1. Log in to your NordVPN account. First, open your browser and go to the NordVPN website. Click Log In and enter your account email and password. Step 2. Cancel auto renewal. Once you are logged in, go to Billing or Subscription Settings. Find the Auto Renewal option and click Cancel Auto Renewal. This stops future charges, but it does not automatically issue a refund. Step 3. Contact NordVPN support. To actually receive your refund, you need to contact NordVPN support. Go to the support page and open live chat or send an email to support@nordvpn.com. Live chat is usually the fastest method. Step 4. Request the refund. Tell the support agent that you want a refund under the 30-day money-back guarantee. They may ask for your account email, payment details, and reason for cancellation. Once verified, they will start the refund process. Step 5. Confirm the refund request. After verification, you may receive a secure link where you can confirm the refund request from your account dashboard. Click Refund and confirm the request. Step 6. Wait for processing. Once approved, the refund will be processed. NordVPN usually processes refund requests quickly, but it can take up to about 10 business days for the money to appear in your bank account, depending on your payment method. Step 7. Check refund status. You can check the status in your billing history. Possible statuses include refund processing, refunded. You will also receive a confirmation email when the refund is completed. Important tip. If you purchased NordVPN through the Apple App Store, Amazon App Store, or a third-party retailer, you must request the refund directly from that platform instead of NordVPN. And that's it. That's how you get a refund from NordVPN step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple and practical VPN and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.